Hello, this is Daryl for Friday, the 11th of March 2016. This is the D Market Summary. So, today we had the markets closing in positive territory. What a nice trading day for investors. So, today the S&P 500 ended in the highest level for the year. So it was a very good trading day for investors. Um, we had the prices of oil rose today too as well, and it also created some support for the markets. But overall, the main catalyst for the market today was the very good news that we had yesterday from Mario Draghi and the European Central Bank. You could see that really supported and boosted markets all over the globe, not just here in North America. So we had oil gains today, and that was because of a major announcement from the International Energy Agency. They came out and said that the oil markets probably found the oil prices found a bottom today. Not today, but earlier this month when it hit $30 a barrel. I think we announced that too, that was probably the bottom, and the International Energy Agency came out and said that, IEA. So they're saying that basically what it is from what the market data is shown, it really shows that they hit a bottom earlier in the month. And also, another big news too, to really help the price of oil, is that they mentioned that the Iran oil supply, which was thought to be one of the bigger challenges, biggest headwinds to hit the markets, wasn't actually as bad as previously thought. So with those two things factored in, we are looking at now oil prices to stabilize. There might still be some volatility, but not as much as we had earlier in the year. Right, so with that, we had very good news, and oil prices really rallied on that. We had the Brent rise to 0.9% to settle at $40.39 a barrel. U.S. crude today also gained as well, 1.7% today to close at $38.50 a barrel. So very, very good, very good numbers today. We also had the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed up 218.18 points to 17,213.31. The S&P 500, which was the biggest shocker today, the S&P 500 closed up 32.62 points, but it closed at 2,022.19. So those numbers, 2,000, we haven't seen that in the year to date. Okay, so really, as I mentioned earlier, it is the highest the S&P 500 has traded at for the whole year. So it was one of the best trading years. It is really the best trading year for the year, free trading day for the year in the S&P 500, and we had investors all over. I was happy with the day today. So could this rally sustain? Could we have a sustained rally into the weekend and straight into next week? Could we see that? Well, we hope it could continue, because actually the news that we had yesterday with Mario Draghi and the European Central Bank, where they really cut all the major rates, and they really had some aggressive policies of increasing money into the economy, with $80 billion being put into the European economy, and loans, very cheap loans being offered to the European banks. that news really is very good news for the markets. And we really believe here at DE that it will really help the markets to gain some momentum, and we could really see some stability right now in the market. So hopefully that could continue into next week. Okay, so this is Daryl, and this has been the DE Market Summary. Have a good day.